Monopoly Go airplane mode tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your Monopoly Go game in your mobile application while you are in the airplane mode. So basically there are a couple of things that you have to keep in mind while using your Monopoly Go mobile application game while your mobile phone is on airplane mode. So first of all, just down the shutter of the mobile phone, and after that you will see that there are different modes of the settings that you can tweak in your mobile application. So just simply click on the airplane mode that you will see. It says flight mode or airplane mode according to your device. Just simply click on that, and as soon as you click on it, you will see that your Wi-Fi or the mobile data that you are using will automatically get cancelled. So in order to use your airplane mode while using your Monopoly Go account, you need to first open your airplane mode, and after that just simply click on Wi-Fi, and after that just simply connect your Wi-Fi network to the existing network that you have already connected to. And after that just simply scroll all the way up, and after that just simply open the mobile application. And now once you will start playing the game, you will be able to play the game because your Wi-Fi is still on, and even after your mobile is on flight mode as well. So this is basically how you will be able to play your Monopoly Go while your phone is on airplane mode. So that's the tutorial for today. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.